Cheapest indoor herb garden for apartments under $50. Here is the practical Sill garden answer for a small apartment, without buying more equipment than you need. Start with your real constraints: usable space, available daylight, water protection, and how much weekly maintenance you will actually do. Keep the first setup simple. Protect the surface, automate the light schedule, and adjust from what the plants show you instead of changing everything at once. Avoid buying the largest system first. Weak light is not fixed by extra water, and in a small room, noise, glare, and spill risk matter every day. Our verdict: skip branded pods for month 1 if money is tight. A clip-on LED, 3 pots or jars, and a waterproof tray get you mint and chives for under $50 on a usable Sill, or closer to $70 with a stronger light. Read the full step-by-step guide at sillgarden.com.